Next question. Subject matter of sociology according to Emile Durkheim. See, first test में this is warm up test, and you will realize कि 90% क्वेश्चन तो ऐसा ही होता है यूपीएससी का. Hardly 5% deviation is there maximum. Only in 5 questions you will face difficulty of interpretation, right? In 95% question you will clearly interpret the question. So कभी भी मतलब ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट का प्रैक्टिस करना है. वही तो कर रहे पीटी में. डिफिकल्ट का प्रैक्टिस करते करते एग्जाम के पहले कॉन्फिडेंस लूज कर जाते हैं. ये भी लूज कर गए थे, है ना, एग्जाम के पहले ही कि अभ्यास में मैंने बहुत अच्छा नहीं किया, मतलब कि अब तो गया. सो डिफिकल्ट है. सो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं ना. प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन है ये. डिस्कस द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी अकॉर्डिंग टू एमाइल दरखेम, है ना. क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल, बट इन सिंपल क्वेश्चन टेकिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एज इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट. कॉम्पिटिटिव एज इज समथिंग ना, ईडीजी, कॉम्पिटिटिव एज तो लेना पड़ेगा ना. मतलब समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम समथिंग मोर, isn't it? In limited words is difficult, always difficult, है ना. जैसे लास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन था कि मॉडर्निटी emerged first and only in Europe. सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, बट कॉम्पिटिटिव एज उसको मिला. कॉम्पिटिटिव एज वो ले गया जिसने एक पैराग्राफ इंडिया का लिख दिया. आई हैव सीन मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. लक्ष्मण 310 मार्क्स है उसको, आशुतोष 297 मार्क्स है उसको, राइट. ये सबने इंडिया कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में ये था आई हैव टू राइट समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा, समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. तो लिख दिया, चांस ले लिया, एक्स्ट्रा हो गया, है ना. सो सिंपल क्वेश्चंस में अपन को क्वालिटेटिव, कॉन्साइजनेस, प्रिसाइजनेस, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी मतलब मेंटेन करेंगे. वी विल ट्राई टू अकोमोडेट मोर व्यू पॉइंट्स in concise, precise way. So question is simple. Discuss subject matter of sociology according to Emile Durkheim. So first क्या, स्टिमुलस काउंट करो इसमें. सब्जेक्ट मैटर सोशियोलॉजी, है ना, दरखेम, राइट. सो यस, इंट्रो में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्ट, कोई भूमिका नहीं कि हाँ इन हिज बुक मैं पर्टिकुलर बुक इन पर्टिकुलर ईयर, कुछ नहीं ऐसा. डायरेक्ट. According to social fact, according to Emile Durkheim, is subject matter of sociology, right? Social fact is subject matter of sociology. Then, what is social fact? Define it. Intro में जो framework होगा हमारा, intro, main body and conclusion. So in question number 2, intro, what is subject matter of sociology? Subject matter to social fact, right? Then one liner definition of social fact, right? Then why social fact? Third paragraph, second paragraph, why social fact as subject matter of sociology? Huh? Yes. Why social fact as subject matter of sociology? Right. अब देखो, ये second paragraph would be very important. Why social fact? Why social fact? So if sociology has to be a science of society, it must have a specific subject matter, right? एक ये हो गया, है ना. And if sociology has to be a objective science like natural sciences, then it must have a social a subject of its own, so that we could analyze, we could explain, analyze sociology with empirical methods, observational methods. So why, है ना. Further और एक दो पॉइंट जनरेट करेंगे इसमें. why में वहीं पे आंसर मिल जाएगा उसको. why social fact, कि सोशल रियलिटी इज collective in nature, isn't it? Getting your point? Social reality is not condition of individual but the social group and collectivity. Social group and collectivity. Getting your point? And you will relate, this to collective conscience and collective consciousness. Collective conscience or collective consciousness, isn't it? Collective consciousness. In sociology, we should focus on collective conscience, collective fact, not the individual fact. Getting your point? Because that collective is above and over individual, isn't it? That collective is above and over individual. Family is above and over individual. Economy is above and over individual. Values are above and over individual. Custom, rituals, law, code of ethics are above and over individual, isn't it? And these aspects of collective conscience organized in social facts should be subject matter of sociology, because these are objective. So somehow, try to relate it with this Durkheim's notion of collective conscience, क्योंकि इन सब के पहले तो collective conscience की बात करता है ना, criticizing utilitarians, talked about individual conscience, कि individual act as per the perceived need motivation, ये कहा कि नहीं, social motivation, collective motivation, isn't it? Right? तो collective conscience से इसको relate करेंगे, है ना? Next paragraph में, then you will elaborate on the subject matter. Main body के अंदर third paragraph में you will describe the features of social facts briefly. Features क्या है? 4 sentence में 4 feature बात करेंगे, है ना? And every feature should be exemplified. तो 4 sentences 4 features, मतलब 1 से 2 paragraph आप उस पे dedicate करोगे. You will dedicate on counting on the features, right? Then must give reference of social fact from Durkheim's work. Division of labor is a social fact. Suicide is a social fact, isn't it? है ना? Must write. Religion is a social fact. Work को must लाना है whenever we are writing, subject matter or methodology, है ना? Sociologist का. So we will refer to the work, contributions, and then lastly limitations. 1 or 2 paragraph you will dedicate to limitations of the social fact. अब see, limitation में या तो आप बुक्स रेफर करके, जो बुक्स आप रेफर करते हो, या नोट्स रेफर करके यू जस्ट लिस्ट द लिमिटेशंस 1 2 3 4 और यू गो पर्सपेक्टिव वाइज. अब Durkheim इज अ पॉजिटिविस्ट, फंक्शनलिस्ट, सो लिमिटेशंस ऑफ सोशल फैक्ट. Weberian interpretivist limitation, then symbolic interactionist limitation, then ethnomethodologist limitation, isn't it? Then feminist limitation, then Marxist conflictist limitation, isn't it? क्योंकि चूंकि यहाँ फैक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, फंक्शंस नहीं, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्टिस्ट को लास्ट में लाएंगे, isn't it? उनके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? उनके अकॉर्डिंग इट्स नॉट सोशल फैक्ट्स के बारे में कहता है कि इट्स नॉट इंडिविजुअल कंडीशन, इट्स सोशल कंडीशन, इजंट इट? इट्स सोशल. कॉन्फ्लिक्टिस्ट कहता है, मार्क्स कहता है नो, जो फैक्ट है दैट इज मटेरियल. सोशल फैक्ट्स लाइक फैमिली, पॉलिटी, एजुकेशन, रिलीजन एक्सेट्रा कंडीशनड बाय मटेरियल, इजंट इट? एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ रियलिटी, isn't it? तो उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट, ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट लाकर क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, isn't it? कि मटेरियल फैक्ट. सो बेस स्ट्रक्चरल फैक्ट शुड बी studied to understand the wider aspects of reality, society, right? So this way we will prioritize one line, 2 lines on each, isn't it? And then conclusion में कि despite limitations, Durkheim's Durkheim's proposition of subject matter, social fact as subject matter, played important role in making of the modern sociology, the body of knowledge of sociology, isn't it? Modern sociology में उसका contribution है, and that's why Durkheim is referred as founding father of modern sociology, isn't it? Right? So in lines से, some positive lines से we will conclude, isn't it? है ना? आज भी, don't you think कि we the humans in society very much conditioned by the social fact, है ना? Be that your choice for education or choice for, तो एक लाइन लिख देंगे कि our choice for education, our choice for employment, our choice for occupation very much constrained by the social facts, isn't it? So this concepts of social fact has practical relevance too, isn't it? इसका practical relevance भी है ना? Human beings turn into from biological being to social being because of social facts. Socialization in the family, socialization in educational institution, occupational institution, organization, isn't it? So इस तरीके से, some relevance of, general relevance also. Not only limiting ourselves to bookish knowledge, कुछ general relevance, जबरदस्ती का we will write conclusion में. That will bring novelty. उससे क्या होता है? Novelty dimension आ जाएगा, है ना? हाँ. But since discuss is there, so whenever the tag is discuss, one paragraph, that is because किसी simple reasoning is there कि we all here start discussion on Agniveer, suppose. So some members, some of the group members will support Agniveer, and one member may have, counterpoint of view in course of discussion. फिर you will convince that member कि no, it's relevant, modernization of army, है ना? So views and counter views appear in discussion, है ना? It is not necessary that all will agree on a particular point of view in course of discussion, isn't it? So whenever discuss, one paragraph on limitations, right, or criticism, right? Okay.